Today we are walking a 188 unit property in Carrollton, Texas. James, tell us about the financing on this property.
After initially bought it, it was just a Fannie Mae loan assumption, right? So lower leverage, fixed rate, and then they owned the deal for about 5 years. So after 5 years, they decided, hey, I like this property, I want to keep it longer term. But some of the investors who were LPs in the original deal said, hey, I want my money back. Doing the general partner did what's called a recapitalization. So a recapitalization is really like a refinance.
All right, we're in a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment on the upstairs. You got black appliances, black microwave, which kind of goes nice against the white cabinets here with the new pulls. And in the living room area, they have the carpet because the second floor you don't want noise going down below. You can see there's covered parking. This is a B-class asset. Shower, 1 sink, and yeah, just a nice 1-bedroom. We're in the back channels here of the apartment complex. What are we looking for back here, James?
Yeah, a lot of times, property tour, or you do a broker tour. A lot of times, they're going to take you right by the pool. They're going to take you into the gym. Take the scenic route around the backside of these properties and figure out if there's any foundation issues. A lot of times, don't just take the route that the broker maybe takes you down. Go around the property, spend some time before or after walking around, seeing if you see anything else.